channel like this is making up to $28,000 per month. As we are going to create something completely new and unique. First of all, take a look at this channel. It has uploaded only 69 videos, but already has 26.7k subscribers. If you check the videos, you'll see that the content style is very interesting, and the views are also really impressive. Most of the videos are related to animals, explaining what animals do, what foods are safe or unsafe for them, and many other fascinating facts about animals. These videos are created in a very simple way, and the channel is in Hindi. If you create the same type of videos in English, you can earn even more money because English content usually gets higher CPM and a larger audience. Let me show you how to check whether a channel is monetized and how much it might be earning. First, copy the channel link, then go to Social Blade and paste the channel link there. As soon as you paste the link, the channel details will appear. The channel name is Bio Visible Animal, and you can see that its estimated monthly income is between 1.8k and 28k per month, which is a very high income range. The best part is that you can create these kinds of viral videos completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make these viral animal videos easily using free AI tools. So, let's get started. First of all, open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, I will give you 3 prompts: Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. I'll explain everything step by step, including how to use these prompts in the easiest way possible. First, copy Part 1 and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you send this message, ChatGPT will reply and ask you to send your channel link and script link so it can analyze them.
क्या तुम जानते हो?
After that, copy the second line. Then, open the YouTube channel whose style you want to copy. First, copy the channel link. After copying the channel link, open any 2 shorts videos from that channel and copy their links as well. Now paste all 3 links into ChatGPT. After pasting them, go back to my prompts and copy Part 2. Paste it into ChatGPT. Once you paste it, ChatGPT will fully analyze the channel style, content, and structure. Then, copy Part 3, the one that says, "Now I give you 3 prompts." After that, copy all 3 prompts together and paste them into ChatGPT. As soon as you click send, ChatGPT will analyze everything and create a complete scene-by-scene story for you. It will generate around 6 scenes along with detailed image prompts for every scene. You can see that all the image prompts are ready. I will also provide the image prompts and video prompts in my YouTube comments section for you guys. Now all the image prompts and video prompts are ready. So, let's start creating the images first. For free image generation, open Leonardo AI. It's a really amazing website. You can see I already created a few test images before. After opening Leonardo AI, make sure to select Phoenix 1.0 and keep the size ratio at 9:16. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompts one by one, and paste them into Leonardo AI. As you can see, the image results are absolutely amazing. Keep copying all your prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Leonardo AI until all your images are generated. If your Leonardo AI credits run out, you can simply use another email account. For example, I'm using one email in one browser and another email in a different browser. This way, you can continue creating images for free. Now the images are ready. Next, I'll show you how to create videos for free. So guys, the first website I use for creating videos is Djinn AI. It's an amazing website because it gives free daily credits. You get 300 credits every day, which are enough to create around 10 videos. The credits keep adding daily, and as you can see, I currently have 4,240 credits available. So you can easily create videos on this platform without any problem. I personally use this website a lot because the results are really impressive. To create a video, simply click on the Create option. Once you click it, you'll see an Upload option. Upload your first image there. After that, go to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the image you uploaded. Paste that prompt into Dvid AI, and within a few moments, your video will start generating. The results are actually very good. Now let me show you another example. I upload a second image, copy the prompt again from ChatGPT, and paste it there. As soon as I paste the prompt, the second video also starts generating automatically. This is how you can easily create videos on this platform. The second website that I use daily for creating AI videos is Flow Labs. It also gives free daily credits. Just search for Flow Labs on Google, open the first website, and click on Create with Flow. After that, click on New Project. It only takes a few seconds to load, and then you'll see the main interface. Here, you can upload your image, or you can even create videos directly. I've already made several videos on this platform, as you may have seen in my previous videos. Once the image is uploaded, click on the three dots and then select Animate. After that, go to ChatGPT again, copy the prompt and paste it there. As soon as you paste the prompt, the video generation will start automatically. Now I upload another image, copy another prompt and paste it again. You can see that the next video also starts generating instantly. This is how multiple videos can be created very easily on this platform. The final results from both websites are honestly amazing. If you want even better quality, then I would recommend using Google Labs as well. It gives around 150 free daily credits, and the credits refresh every day. Now the videos are ready. AI voice plays a very important role. So for this, I am using a free tool where you can generate AI voice for free. Instead of using paid tools, we're going to use a free AI voice generator called Lovo AI. It's an amazing platform that lets you create professional quality AI voices for free. First, open the website and sign in. Once you enter Lovo AI, you'll see a simple and easy to use interface. Now, choose any AI voice you like. After selecting the voice, go to ChatGPT and copy the script or prompt you want to turn into voice audio. Paste the text inside Lovo AI. Next, click on the Generate Audio button. Within a few seconds, your AI voice will be created automatically. So now, everything is ready. Your AI video is complete. Your AI voice is also ready. The final step is simply editing everything together into one complete video. In the next step, I'll show you exactly how to edit your videos professionally and turn them into cinematic AI videos with ease. For editing, I'll be using CapCut. It's one of the best video editing software options available because it's simple, powerful, and completely beginner-friendly. Just import your AI videos and voiceover into CapCut, then start editing them professionally. Here, I'll add professional effects, sync the voiceover, and complete the final editing process. And that's it. Our cinematic AI video is now fully ready. You can watch the final result now. Thanks for watching.